This is the video about healthy lifestyle and your skin. There are a lot of reasons why one person at 30 might look better than another one. And one reason we cannot change, obviously, that is heredity, but we absolutely can change our environment, and that is far more important. Talking about beauty, your skin and age, if you want to really dig deeper and to know all about your genes, you can do a beauty genetic test. There are these kind of tests available. They're very cheap, but it will really open up more detailed information about your genes, specifically the genes that are responsible for like restoring the skin after all the injections and procedures you do. Sometimes you see the effect of an incredibly swollen, puffy face in women who are doing some fillers and stuff. It only means that it's one woman would do it with the same doctor, and they will have different effects. It's all about their genes, about the way they respond to the treatment. It doesn't mean you can't do it. It just means you have to have a little different preparation protocol for all that. But it's a very deep topic. We're not going there. What we really need to pay attention to is that there are a lot of factors that need to be taken into consideration in avoiding premature aging, and absolutely any person can do that. Besides, all these factors will also help you to become a healthier person as well. First factors would be smoking, alcohol consumption. Well, there is nothing to add there. There are studies that alcohol could be beneficial for your heart health, but I would still say that there are a lot of setbacks at the same time, and I would say you should have at least excessive alcohol consumption, and smoking. I would say smoking is a no-no if you want to have just a younger, longer. Now, constant stress. Believe it or not, stress is a whole bunch of functions in the body that could go wrong, and hormonal system suffers very bad. Your immune system suffers as well. So if we all have stress, obviously, but only fewer of us try to learn how to handle stress better and have proper ways of relaxation and restoration. So we all know that you can't eliminate stress. It's not possible. But we, instead of eliminating stress, we could find better ways to cope with it. Say, the easiest example would be just taking a short bath with Epsom salts. It will unwind you better, help you to unwind better than a glass of wine, and it will be great for your skin. So just make sure that you try to be present while you're taking the bath, right? That easiest example. Not think about what you're going to do once you're done taking a bath in 5 minutes or tomorrow. When you're in the bath, you're in the bath. That's it. All you think about is all Epsom salts are relaxing your muscles. You do some imaginary here. So you imagine how these things work for your body, that you're relaxing right now, that you're doing good for yourself, for your beauty, for your body. So you need to do these things. So not just put your body in the water with Epsom salts, but you put your mind also in that bath tub with Epsom salts. And for a change, you could add 2 teaspoons of dried ginger to the bath, and you'll thank me later. Talking about imagining things, I really love color therapy. You can pick a color that makes you feel good, maybe happy, and perhaps you put it on. Or I love trying to find this color everywhere throughout the day. So it could be any colors. You don't need to think that black is a bad color if it makes you happy. It doesn't mean there is something wrong with you. So imaginary also helps. You can imagine that you breathe in some color and breathe out another color, or maybe the same color. So maybe it's something very dusty pink or yellow. You breathe in the yellow color, and it could purify you, or it could remove the sad thoughts, or it could heal you even. Do whatever you can imagine, you want to imagine, something you need in the moment. And then you breathe out all the bad stuff, or you just breathe it out once it purified you. And trust me, if you let your imagination work, you might get surprised sometimes at the colors you see. Maybe you will start seeing something stronger, like crimson red. just let your imagination do the job. You don't really need to go to a doctor, try to analyze the colors and stuff. You don't do that. It's your imagination. You find the color you want. Maybe today it's the green color. Maybe tomorrow it's the purple. Maybe it's white. So, and you try. Sometimes even before, I used to have like a little rope of that color. You can go to a home goods store and get those. In the knitting department, you can find the thread and maybe make a small bracelet of that color if you feel like it right now. Whatever comes to your mind. Healthy diet. Well, healthy diet, what is a healthy diet anyway? Some people say they thrive on keto diet. Some people are fasting once a week, and so on and so forth. Some people are vegans, right? Everybody believes in something that works for him, but unfortunately some people believe that it should work for them when it doesn't. Say, if they start keto diet and they are so bad with so much meat consumption and fats, and they do feel bad, but for some reason they continue because it's supposed to make them feel better. So I get really adamant here because I want you to learn how to listen to your body. It seems like the easiest things to do, but unfortunately, this ability is lost in some people, and it's a job to try to bring it back. That's a job you really need to work on. You really need to see what's good or best for you without analyzing what's being told on Instagram. You have to analyze how you feel. Obviously, working with your doctor if you have any underlying conditions or diseases. What I know for sure is that the best diet is the diet consisting of whole foods. I'm a holistic nutritionist, and right now I am seriously involved in the idea of diet and skin, not only overall health. I want to work and know more about what can be an impact from your diet to your skin health. My favorite motto is the one that Dr. Gregory uses. Wholesome foods is when nothing good taken away and nothing bad added to it. So think about it. So it's the food in its almost pure form. I mean, it could be cooked, obviously, with spices and stuff, but it's not something bad added to it, and nothing good was taken away. If you are indeed interested in knowing about the best diet for your skin, you need to understand how digestion works on a cellular level. I'm sure that we need to know how these processes, your digestion, vital processes in your body, happen to understand beyond only eat this, it's good for you. Well, I see their only lack of motivation, and I do not believe that we always need to detox, alkalize, or starve our bodies. I believe in food. I believe we are meant to eat well, and I believe in my body, and so should you. In the age of so many diets, we should not try to choose from paleo, keto. We need to choose whole foods diet, as simple as that. We need to drink enough water, pure water. Diet topic is way beyond the scope of this course. But I am happy to help you on your journey, and if you are interested in holistic nutrition consultations, personal consultations, maybe some help, or maybe the help to answer some of your questions, help along with your journey, I would be there for you. You just need to let me know if you're interested in that help from my side. So we are closing the topic of the diet because, again, it's very vast. It's not complicated, but it has a lot of details in it. And every consultation I usually start with making sure the person understands how the digestion works. Because once you start thinking about all the bile and all the things happening in there, it's easier for you to choose better quality foods. It's easier for you to choose the right meal plan, make sure your regime is good. It's easier that way when you understand what's actually going on rather than just bland phrases. Eat that, it's good for you. Carrots are good for eyesight, go for it. well, it's not very serious, in my opinion.